What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We gotta talk about Shiba Inu today. As you can see, we are definitely on the downside here with everything in crypto. It's not just Shiba Inu, it's everything. It's Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, all that good stuff. So we're gonna be going over Shiba Inu, and we're gonna be going over some fundamentals and technicals with Shiba Inu. So, anyways, hit the like button, subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. Now let's go right over Shiba Inu. So yes, we are still in control by the bears by 100% of the 24-hour market control. Yes, yes, yes. But look right here. Look at what we got forming up right here. So like I always say, these green areas here or the vital algo indicators, it pretty much shows our supply and demand. It shows that we have lots of demand in the green areas, less demand in the red areas. So we are starting to form a little red area right here showing less demand. So we're probably going to try to trade between this channel before we go down back to this supply and demand area. So what I do want to mention here with the supply and demand area that we just now bounced off, we're pretty much going to keep bouncing off this for a little while because this is a huge area of demand, a lot of demand right there. So it's going to be very hard for us to go below that, but it's still possible if Bitcoin continues to drop. Bitcoin just now dropped out of 900 million market cap. Now it's at 897 million market cap. So as Bitcoin continues to go down, everything else in the market starts to, follow Bitcoin. So we could end up breaking the supply and demand, but as of right now, we have lots of demand here. So do not expect to see Shiba Inu below 0.00003 right now, not anytime soon, but like right now, as of today and tomorrow, you're probably not going to see that because of all of this demand with Shiba Inu right here. We have a lot of demand here. Now, it could invalidate itself if we start forming up another red area. So look, even though we're oversold here on the oscillator, even though you see that there's overselling here on the oscillator and that we did come off of an overbought area, we are still doing good with Shiba Inu with our supply and demand. So we're still here with lots of demand, even though we're a little bit oversold. So we're definitely going to see some more buying coming back in with Shiba Inu and some more momentum coming in. But there's actually a huge article that I just now seen that I want to go over. So this is very big for Shiba Inu. Now, sheep is big in Turkey. For anyone that doesn't know, I'm not talking about Thanksgiving. I'm not talking about turkeys that run all over the place. I'm talking about the country Turkey. Shiba Inu is big out there in Turkey. So Tether and Sheep compete with Bitcoin in inflation, pretty much inflation rate in Turkey as lira tumbles. So people are talking about this a lot. A lot of people in Turkey love Shiba Inu. So Turkish citizens facing high inflation and a plunging currency are shunning the example set by some foreign public companies that have adopted Bitcoin as a store of value asset. So instead, they're flocking to alternative cryptocurrencies like Shiba Inu and the stablecoin Tether. So trading volume in the Bitcoin Turkish lira currency pair on crypto exchange Binance totaled $918 million in November, less than a fifth the level of the Shiba Inu lira value of 5.26 billion. So more people are investing more into Shiba Inu than their own currency, their own lira. So this is pretty big. More people are really focused on Shiba Inu out there inside of Turkey. So just in Turkish volume, we've seen $5.26 billion in Shiba Inu just in Turkey, just from Turkey. That is huge from Shiba Inu lira. So that is huge. That's from the Shiba Inu lira pair. That's a lot of money. 5.26 billion just from Turkey. Turkey is a huge financial hub in Europe. Literally, Istanbul, huge inside. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, Istanbul, something like that. But it's huge out there. And there's other big cities out there inside Turkey. So Turkey is really going hard with Shiba Inu. So the data shows despite the instability faced by the lira, local traders are still attracted to the exceptional returns associated with coins such as sheep. So that's pretty big. That's a pretty big statement there. So over here, you can see in November, the lira crashed nearly 40% against the dollar after the central bank cut interest rates, even as inflation topped 20% and the U.S. Federal Reserve began tapering its liquidity boosting asset purchase program. So the currency has depreciated 87% this year. Wow. And is on track to register its ninth straight annual drop. That is a lot of inflation for their currency. They're starting to look like Venezuela out there. So the official inflation figure is 21%, but at the ground level, it is more like 50%. So Turkish citizens priority is gold and dollars. So they also buy cheap crypto coins like SHIB, VET, XRP because Bitcoin is too expensive. So they're really focused on SHIB. They're focused on these smaller altcoins out there in Turkey. So this is definitely something pretty good for Shiba Inu. The fact that we're like the face out there in Turkey. So this is good news for us. It's definitely not good news to see that their currency is being so heavily inflated, but it's definitely good news to see that they're combating this by buying stuff like Shiba Inu to hedge against that inflation. So I'm definitely excited to see that crypto is helping people all over the world. Like Shiba Inu is really changing lives out there. So let's go over some technicals here with Shiba Inu though. So Shiba Inu price signals 50% upswing as SHIB forms triple tap setup. Now, I just want to mention this. There's a lot of technical analysis up here talking about this is about to take off. This is blah, 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 blah. But it really doesn't matter. What I want to talk about here is what is really real. Like we gotta be real here. Like I like FX Street, they do some good technical analysis, but right now we have to be real here. So they're saying a 50% upswing is possible right now. The only way that is possible if we start seeing this FUD leave the market, if we start seeing the government stop talking about inflation. Yes, we know it's here. Yes, we know it's coming. Yes, we know we have a lot of stuff coming in the future. We just need to stop talking about inflation. We need to stop talking about the variance. We need to stop doing all of this. Like, we need to stop all of this market, just all this stuff, all this market FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. We need to stop all of it. And the only way that we're going to rise inside crypto is if we stop all that stuff. So right now, I do want to say that Shiba Inu still has the potential to rise, but right now, don't be looking for 50% uptrends. Look at 50% downtrends. Like, I'm just being real here. So what we're going to be looking at here in the crypto market, we may see a $45,000 Bitcoin coming soon. So if we see $45,000 Bitcoin, we more than likely will break the supply and demand area. So that barrier will be broken. So we got to be real here. We got to be completely honest with ourselves. We can't lie to ourselves because that's going to make you lose money. So you don't want to just put all your money in right now expecting a 50% rise. Wait a little bit, let it dip, and then buy the dip. It dips a little bit more, you buy a little bit more, but you don't want to just put it all in at once because someone says it's about to jump 50%. So let's go over this. Shiba Inu price is hovering above the 0.00035 support level, completing the third tap. So over here, you can see SHIB is consolidating in a tight area and could be due for a 50% run up to 0.0000522. So it is consolidating to a tight area. I won't lie about that. I'll definitely give them that. But you definitely still want to be careful here with this. Anything happen. This is definitely a tight area of consolidation that you're seeing here. So definitely be alarmed that anything can happen inside such a tight area like this. But me personally, I think it's going to be more on the downside than the upside. I'm just being honest here. But anyways, a breakdown of the 0.0000327 support level will invalidate the bullish thesis. So if we go below 327, that's going to invalidate this bullish thesis. Right now we're at 3382. So as you can see, the 3287 area, I think they said 327 area, you pretty much see that's where our supply and demand is. So pretty much if we go below the supply and demand, like here to the middle area of the supply and demand, it's pretty much going to show that we're going into bearish territory. So we don't want to go down there. But anyways, Shiba Inu price is hovering around a crucial support level and shows signs of triggering a quick run-up. So the recent dip below this barrier suggests that the market makers have already collected liquidity, indicating that downside risk is relatively less. So Shiba Inu price to blast off soon. That's what they're saying. Shiba Inu price set up a 0.0000350 as a support floor after the December 4th flash crash and rallied nearly 14% after. The retracement that ensued dipped below the said barrier and set up a swing low at 0.0000327. So this move collected liquidity testing below the 0.0000350 area platform and recovered quickly, indicating that the bulls are in play. So after a brief rally, SHIB retraced again to the 3.5 foot hold. Assuming a similar development, investors can expect Shiba Inu price to set up a high swing high above the 0.00380 area, and then eventually leading us onto this uptrend about 4.48, pretty much 0.00048. Too many zeros right there. Anyways, in a highly bullish case, this is highly bullish, by the way. Like, no bearish movements here at all. If we just went completely bullish in the market, this is what would happen. That's pretty much what they're saying. That's why I'm telling you all to like be careful, because this is only if we have like a flying unicorn that just comes into the market and sends us straight to the moon. but be careful. Anyways, this move will confirm the start of an uptrend. So if we go below the 380 ceiling, pretty much getting above this 38 area, that is where we have less demand at. If we can get past our less demand area, where we have that supply and demand, we have way less demand there. If we can get past that, then we're gonna go straight to the moon. And to the moon, I mean 0.00448. So that can definitely come if we pass the supply and demand area right up here. So that's what we got to do now. Anyways, down you can say down here in a highly bullish case as well, Shiba Inu price could extend beyond the 0.00448 area and make a run for the 0.005 2 area. So that's the resistance. And right now, I would say like you want to be a little bit careful here with the technical analysis that you see, because yes, the bullish case can happen, but more than likely this is about to happen here. So on the other hand, if Shiba Inu price fails to bounce off the 0.00350 support level, the consolidation might continue. And the reason why I'm mentioning this is because I'm bullish with Shiba Inu long term. But obviously, in the crypto market, we're having like some short term bearish movements. Like a lot of people will probably look at this and be like, "Man, I thought you were bullish with Shiba Inu." Like, yes, I'm bullish for Shiba Inu, but short term, definitely there's going to be some bearish movements. I still like Shiba Inu, but right now we're going to see bearish movements in the whole crypto market, not just Shiba Inu. So we got to prepare for that, and we got to be real with ourselves so we don't get screwed over on that. So let's keep going though. Now, over here, you can see, however, the selling pressure knocks sheep down to produce a lower low below the 0.00327 area, then it will invalidate the bullish thesis if we go below 327. So now you can also see in such a case, Shiba Inu price could venture lower and retest the December 4 swing low at 0.00275 if we break that 327 area. So if we go below the supply and demand, it's pretty much going to go straight down to 275. That's our next support area. So be careful here. Anyways, we have 1,045,627 holders here inside Shiba Inu. Big increase from yesterday. Yesterday, we had 1,042,837. So we have lots of people getting inside Shiba Inu left and right. So shout out to all the new Sheep Army representatives out there. Shout out to all the new people. And I'm going to go over this again because I went over this very briefly yesterday. But look at what we got here. We have the BitPay thing. So attention Sheep Army. Now you can buy, store, swap, and spend sheep directly through the BitPay app. That's huge right there. Buy, store, swap, spend, all that good stuff on the BitPay app directly from there. And then you can even go to stores and directly pay for stuff with the BitPay app. So that's pretty big right there. Shout out to the whole Sheep Army for making this happen. Like, this wouldn't happen without the Sheep Army. But I want to go over some other stuff too. So we have lots of other stuff to go on. So over here, you can see Satoshi Kusama. We are about to have this game here. So remember, when this game comes out, it's going to be huge. It's going to send Shiba Inu to the moon. We're going to be doing big stuff here. So anyways, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. I just wanted to mention some of this good stuff that we got going on here. But anyways, hit the like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.